Children, today we are doing the activity of herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous.
Okay, sir.
Suvida, go and find and come omnivorous example. It is a omnivorous example. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Tell the definition of omnivorous example.
Which animal eat plant animal? It is called omnivorous.
Good. Ashley, go and find and come herbivorous example. So it is a herbivorous example. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Tell the definition of herbivorous.
Sir, which animal eat plant to plant? It is called herbivorous.
Very good. Sai Pranit, go and find and come carnivorous example. Sai Pranit, go and find and come carnivorous example. So it is a carnivorous example. Tell me the definition of carnivorous.
Which animal eat plant to plant? It is called carnivorous.
Very good. Go. Jashwantiga, go and find carnivorous example. So it is a carnivorous example. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the definition.
Which animal eat animal to animal? It is called carnivorous.
Very good. Come. Ashlesh, go and find and come omnivorous example. So it is a omnivorous example.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the definition.
Sir, which animal eat plant to animal? It is called omnivorous.
Very good.